it's Amber from The Sensible Mama. Today I am so excited to show you the brand new print that is coming out from Itzy Ritzy in the Boss Diaper Bag Backpack. This is going to be an extremely limited release. I'm talking super limited. It's coming out later this spring, and it's just going to be one of those things that you have to jump on it while you can because they're not going to be making a lot of this print. When I found out about this print, I asked Itzy Ritzy if they would please send me one of these bags so that I could preview it for my customers, let you guys get an idea of what the print actually looks like in person. And they were so nice to go ahead and send me their one and only prototype of the bag. I only have it for a week, so I'm going to be cranking out lots of content this week while I have it, and then sadly I have to ship this back to Itzy Ritzy and I won't get to see it again until the actual print release, which is breaking my heart because I'm already in love with this thing. If you've been around for a while, you know that the backpack style of diaper bag is my absolute favorite style of bag, and I have been loving the Boss bag from Itzy Ritzy for a long time now. In fact, I've created a lot of content about this bag and other prints on my channel, so I'll link those down in the description box below if you want to get like a really thorough overview of the features and functions of this bag and how you can pack it for a baby in cloth or for travel through the airport. Check those videos out down below because this video is going to be more an overview of the print and how you might be able to pack it up and pair it with some of your favorite jujube prints. What I'm most excited about with this bag is that, in case you couldn't tell, I'm expecting a baby in 2 weeks. I'm going to be having a little girl, and when she gets here, I'm going to have a toddler, 20 months old, and a brand newborn baby girl. So I'm going to have two in cloth, which means I'm going to have a lot of stuff that I have to pack in my diaper bag, and this Boss diaper bag is absolutely one of the best bags for overpackers or people who have to pack for multiple babies in diapers. We are actually taking pre-orders for this bag right now on the website www.thesensiblemama.com. Unlike the limited edition jujube releases where you kind of have to get up in the middle of the night and hope you score, we're actually able to do a pre-order for these, so you don't have to question whether or not you're going to score one. Of course, we will have these available just for order on the website when the launch day happens, but if you really want this bag and you want to make sure you're guaranteed to get it, you can go ahead and go to our website right now, pre-order the bag, and that way you know you will get it when the launch date happens. You don't have to get up and try to scramble and fight for it online, which we all know can be tough sometimes. Alright, so with all that said, let's go ahead and talk about this awesome new print. So this print is actually only coming in the backpack style bag. I was a little disappointed that it's not coming in the tote or the triple threat because I love both of those bags, but I think if they had to choose one bag to put this print on, they made the right choice with the backpack because it just looks incredible. I'm most excited about this print because I think it's one of those things that boy moms or girl moms can appreciate. I have a little boy and I'm going to be having a girl very soon, and I like that this bag kind of works whether you have your boy or your girl with you or both. It just kind of, it's got a masculine and a feminine feel, which I think is awesome. The gray that you see here on the front is a faux snakeskin material. It's a little bit shiny like snakeskin would be, and it's got all of these gorgeous accents that just make it so realistic looking. Itzy Ritzy wanted me to point out that because this is a prototype bag, there are certain things about the bag that are not 100% dialed in the way that they will be when the final release happens. So you can see here that the print is a little bit crooked and the nameplate isn't quite on right. That's all okay. That's going to be taken care of when the actual release happens. This is just a bag that they put together to make sure that the owners of the company liked it and they signed off on the way that it looked. And I gotta say, I don't think it could have been much better than this. So you've got the snakeskin print here on the front as well as the snakeskin tassel, which I think is so cute. If you're not a tassel person, that's okay because this is removable. You can just pop it right off and be without the tassel, which is pretty cool. The bag does feature gold hardware, which I know isn't everyone's favorite, but for me personally, gold is my absolute favorite. It's why I love the Legacy line from Jujube, and I just think it pops so well on this bag. You could make the argument that silver would look cool too, but I suspect that silver hardware would actually kind of blend in with this gray snakeskin here and not pop as much as that beautiful yellow gold does here on the front and in all of the embellishments. Wherever there's not the gray snakeskin print, you do get just the black canvas style print that you get with any of the other Itzy Ritzy bags. The bag does come with included stroller clips. You do get an included change pad, and let's just really quickly see what it looks like. Alright, so it looks like this one is solid black It's a huge change pad, which I love. It's nice and thick. The opposite side is white, and it's so cute. It says head to toes. The back of the bag features really comfy memory foam backpack straps. They're fully adjustable, so you can fit this to yourself or to your spouse. You do get an insulated bottle pocket on one side, and of course on the other side, instead of a bottle pocket, you actually get another insulated pocket, which you can see I'm using that for applesauce packets, but it's got that same insulated lining that you get in the bottle pocket for keeping anything like applesauce nice and cold while you're out. I am just absolutely obsessed with this print. It is so elegant looking. It's so me. Like, I love that it's just got this touch of femininity while still being kind of masculine at the same time. It's just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So I think what I'm going to do is I want to show you everything that I have packed up on the inside. This is not going to be an in-depth packing video. I just want to show you how much you can fit in here and what some of my favorite Jujubee prints look like with this bag. So I'm going to step out of the frame and I'm going to zoom in the camera so that we can really look on the inside of this bag and see everything that's in here. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over what all is in this bag. Here on the front you do have two slip pockets that have a really nice magnetic closure. It flops shut really nicely, which means it's not going to be flying open. It's a nice strong magnet. And in here, I always like to keep my cell phone in one pocket. This is an iPhone 6s Plus, and it does fit. And here in the other pocket, I like to keep a small set piece that is packed as my wallet. This is in the Happy Hearts print, and I think it looks so cute with the snakeskin bag. I also wanted to show you that if you have anything in ... it also looks fantastic with this print. It's just anything in the gray or black range is gonna look awesome. Now, I mentioned that I'm going to be having a baby here in the next 2 weeks, and if everything goes according to plan, I will be breastfeeding that baby. So here in this front slip pocket, I wanted to put something that I know that I'll be grabbing for really quickly and not wanting to hunt for in my diaper bag, and that is my Itzy Ritzy nursing scarf. So I thought that putting this here in this front slip pocket was just a great place to have it so that I can really easily yank it out when it's time to breastfeed. Here in the insulated side bottle pocket, I have my 17-ounce Swell bottle, and as I showed you before, in the insulated zipper pocket on the side, I just have 2 applesauce packets for my son. Let's move on to the inside of the bag. You do get 2 zip closures that go all the way around, which means that you can open this up all the way just like you can with the Jujubee Be Right Back. And I just want to show you how much stuff I have in here, and I haven't even used all the compartments in the bag. So the first thing that I have is a large set piece from Jujubee in the Black Petals print, and this I have packed up with all my diapering needs for my daughter. Next is a Be Quick in the Duchess print from Jujubee, and this has everything I need to diaper my toddler. Of course, his diapers are a little bit bigger, which is why I need a Be Quick instead of a large set piece like I had for my baby. Up top, I have another Be Quick in the First Lady print, and this has my Lilla Baby ring sling inside of it so that I can really quickly baby wear the infant when I need to. So just so you're keeping track, we have 2 Be Quicks so far and a large set piece. Now over here I have a medium set piece in the Happy Hearts print, which has all of my son's restaurant and dining needs in it. I have another medium set piece in the Black Petals print with a change of clothes for my toddler, and another medium set piece in the Duchess print with a change of clothes like a onesie and socks and things for my daughter. In this back pocket, which is made of mesh and actually has a drawstring, this drawstring doesn't have the little thing that makes it clasp, but the actual release will have that included. But over here is where I like to keep my son's sippy cup. Now, those were the only compartments in the main part of the bag that I used, but what I did have left was a slip pocket over here on the side, which is usually where I keep my medical kit, like my little pill case. And then over here there are 2 skinny mesh pockets, and I usually keep a travel size deodorant and hairspray over here for myself. I love that there's this mesh pocket here on the front. This is actually what keeps all of your stuff from spilling out of the bag when you open it all the way up. Unlike the Be Right Back, which sometimes can cause your things to spill out when you open it all the way, this bag is actually designed to make sure that that doesn't happen, because this mesh cargo net actually keeps everything in there. But if you're the kind of person who's not a huge fan of the cargo net, that's okay. You just pop it out using these snaps right here, so it's totally removable, and you just throw your stuff in there without the net. The last thing that I have in here is actually in the wardrobe pocket on the front of the bag. You can see that I haven't used this bottom wardrobe pocket just because I just don't tend to use it, but that's an extra space to put things like maybe a medical kit or extra wipes or anything like that. Here in this top zipper pocket, I've just put some Kleenex for myself and some boogie wipes for my babies. So in case you lost track of everything that was in there, there were 2 Be Quicks, 3 medium set pieces, 1 large set piece, a small set piece, 2 water bottles, a nursing scarf, toddler snacks, wipes, and a cell phone. And that to me is pretty incredible. And just to do some super fast print comparisons, here is the bag with the First Lady, the Duchess, black petals, happy hearts, and ... Alright you guys, so that's it for today's video with this kind of sneak peek / first look at the new print from Itzy Ritzy. Again, this is an extremely limited print release, so if you want to make sure that you score it, go ahead and go to thesensible-mama.com. I'll leave the link down below and you can go ahead and pre-order it to make sure that you score it. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that now. It's at @thesensiblemama, and that's where you're going to see even more content about this bag. I'll be posting pictures and updates and things like that. So those are going to be exclusive to Instagram. You want to make sure you don't miss them. As always, if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.